Corner staring, motherfucker, you should take a photo. Oh no, I'm about to go, yo. Shorty dropping low to pick it up, she like a yo-yo. And I'm getting so much action, I should be sponsored by GoPro. Back with a little more Hennessy inside of my red Solo. And I'm that crazy, man, I'm back. Baby, everybody in the club say this track wavy, I get stacks daily, man, these G's don't faze me. I was about to catch a body, but the DJ saved me, man. I could tell that they love my style. Okay, in the club we always bring a crowd. Okay, leave your girl, she might be a while. Okay, I can see you in the corner staring, motherfucker, you should take a photo. Photo. I swear it'll last longer if you take a photo. Photo. I swear it'll last longer if you take a photo.
Nobody do this shit. I'm good, I was need, I was dying, 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 I was need, I was dying. I'm good, I was need, I was dying, 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 I was need, I was dying.
I'm rocking out, can't stop me now. I'm all about that dough.
Look, check me out, I'm just flexing. Wildin' out while they stressin'. And I ain't tryna meet your folks, cause the homie don't need they blessings. And the homie don't need they lessons. I ain't tryna get asked no questions. I'm tryna let it burn. I don't wanna hear your confessions. We fucked up, we ain't sober, girl. I got one cup, this ain't soda, girl. When them lights down, it's over, girl. I like Fresh Prince, you like Golden Girls. Goddamn, you all up in the way. I'm doing me, you got nothing to say. When I'm in the zone, you come in to slay. It's money to make, it's coming today. The homies got dank on 3P. Everybody got bank like TD. You don't wanna see the kid in 2K. Everybody get spanked like Riri. But it's moosh money, stop playing with me. Got two girls and they stand with me. I'm so throwed, I can't think, and I'm busting off to the fan with me. Let's go.
I'm wildin' out with these hoes. I'm rocking out, can't stop me now. I'm all about that dough. Get it, got it, go. I'm wildin' out with these hoes. I'm rocking out, can't stop me now. I'm all about that dough.
Rapping like I got something to prove. That I'm better than you. Okay, now only thing that I know is great. Only thing that I'm not is fake. Only language I speak is truth, so you and I can't conversate. And I know you haters got a lot to say. I don't give you my time of day. Said no to you and then yes to me. When I come around, she accommodate. They all doing what I say. I bring the table to my plate. Trying to get this money like 5 ways. So paydays and just Fridays. I'm always in tip-top shape. I'm a giant, I skyscrape. And small talk me no I blade. Cause everything I do grande and they waiting for me to fall. Boy, I hope you got some patience, cause I work to get where I am, dog. It ain't take that long to get hot. And my nabby told me I'm only seconds from pulling into your spot. Look, I started with nothing but changing my pocket. What more can I say? Now my name is the topic, but all they can say is how much I accomplished. Take that to the bank with your 2-cent deposit.
Don't
overseas, I'm spending euros. Paparazzi snapping photos, Rat Pack with me, yeah, we out this bitch. I remember when they told me I wouldn't amount to shit. Now the amount that I'm counting in my bank account is a mountain to a mountain, flow like fountain out in somewhere that you never heard. And I ain't never stopping, that's my word. I'm talking out in the islands, the shorties be wildin' the way up in Canada. They be demanding the way that I damage the stage when I kill it. Don't even be speaking my language, they feel it from Paris to Germany. You know they heard of me, cause I be wording my verses so perfect. The best shit I gotta be, ain't no one hot as me. Don't even try to be promised, I'm about to be worldwide. Worldwide, worldwide, worldwide. On stage looking right in your girl eyes. I'm talking worldwide, 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 worldwide. About to take over the whole world, yeah. Now when you look at your boy, mama, I'm all grown up. I hit that stew and I lit that fuse, I'm about to be all blown up. I hit the stage and spit that shit that make them all throw up their hands, and I spit that shit so sick it make them all throw up. Okay, wait, now hold up. I had to crawl before I fall. 6 feet tall, but I felt so small, I ain't had shit.
This joint for the fans in the stands with their hands in the air, wave left to right. For the kings and the queens in the penthouse suites, living lavish lives. This joint for the fans in the stands with their hands in the air, wave left to right. For the kings and the queens in the penthouse suites, living lavish lives. We lavish, lavish, caviar with a bad bitch. Chevis out the chalice, show my people round my palace. Yeah, we lavish, lavish, caviar with a bad bitch. Balance in my talents, my black card ain't maxing. Yeah, we bout it, I'll send a foes who doubt it. Spouting the flow out my mouth like a fountain. Pose of a stallion, driven like Aston. Hold up, roll up, hit it, pass it, riding high, sitting low. Mind ain't fried, but I'm getting dough. From the starting line to the end zone, we running the game and that's all that we know. When I'm coolin', just me and my team. G to a T, tell me who haven't got beat. Who on the scene, who I'ma be. One of the best with immaculate steeds, and I rap to the beat with an accuracy. Gotta master the craft when you after the cheese. Trap to the sweet, pedal to the metal, never settle for the one, never settle for the beat. Travis out the chalice, show my people round my palace. Yeah, we lavish, lavish, caviar with a bad bitch. Balance in my talents, my black card ain't maxing. Yeah, we bout it, I'll send the folks who doubt it. Spouting the flow out my mouth like a fountain. Pose of a stallion, driven like Aston. Hold up, roll up, hit it, pass it, riding high, sitting low. Mind ain't fried, but I'm getting dough. From the starting line to the end zone, we running the game and that's all that we know. When I'm coolin', just me and my team. G to a T, tell me who haven't got beat. Who on the scene, who I'ma be. One of the best with immaculate steeds, and I rap to the beat with an accuracy. Gotta master the craft when you after the cheese. Trap to the sweet, pedal to the metal, never settle for the one, never settle for the beat.